Hey everyone, what is Capsule Hotel? It is very popular in Japan. Today I'm going to review the Hey Bear Capsule Hotel in Taipei. It looks like Star Wars capsule. Take a metro to Taipei Bridge station. The hotel is just across the road and then you just take a lift up to 8th floor. It's so quiet in the morning. So let's take a look of the shop. What do they sell over there? They sell a lot of things. So you don't need to worry, okay, if you have forgotten your comb, your toothbrush or soap. Let's check your sleeping place and shower. They have pink color in the female dorm. And we have lockers over here. Now each locker has a number and you can put your trolley bag in the locker. Let's go and see our sleeping place. You are supposed not to make so much noise. So, okay, we have 4 lights here. 2 reading lights. Let's see what is the reading light. And we have the back light. Then we have the mirror light for your makeup. How do you come out from your spaceship? Just press the button to open. The door will open automatically. It's 5 a.m. in the morning. Everyone is still sleeping, but I need to go out early today. There are two types of toilet. One is a squat, the other is a sitting. It's all very clean. What's nearby? First, a bakery shop that sells nice buns. Just opposite the hotel, there's a famous store that sells meat and rice. It has been there for many years. It is so tasty. Third, 2 minutes walk is a Sanhe night market. So watch out for my next video of Taiwan.